That's what's going on.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Let's talk about it. So a lot of people is saying that Rissa and Quan are two confusing people on this internet right now. And I agree. But let's talk about it. Because the only person that seemed confused to me is Rissa. And you know why I say this? Y'all got to go back to the first day that they broke up. We ain't know Rissa and Quan was going through anything until Quan came to the internet and let it be known that he was single for life on his sister. And he also put F.U. I tried my best. So Rissa came out a couple of hours later and uploaded the family vacation photos. People thought Rissa and Quan got back together. So Quan had to clear the air and let them know, like, hey, me and this girl is not together. He ended up posting this. And at the end of it, he said, out of respect of my kids, I'm going to spare her. Bam. So the other day, they went on Snap, took the boys to a theme park together. Everybody thought Rissa and Quan, man, they broke a relationship because Rissa was uploading photos at the theme park. But a lot of people said Rissa and Quan was not interacting with each other. Quan, on the other hand, he ain't upload no pictures of Rissa in the videos at all. He took her out the angle. So he also was low-key letting people know that, hey, me and this girl is not cool. So let's go back to the emergency room situation. Quan uploaded 2 photos of him being in the emergency room. Again, Rissa is nowhere in the picture. But when Rissa uploads, she got to make it known that, hey, I'm here with Quan. And they was holding each other's hand.